you feel like eating this morning?
I usually just have a bowl of cereal.
The most important meal of the day is breakfast.
Yeah, but I don't usually have time to eat a big breakfast.
You can always make an easy breakfast.
What do you make?
All I make is oatmeal, toast, and some orange juice.
That sounds pretty good.
I like it, and it's a fast meal.
That is a very quick meal to make.
I can make it for you if you like.
Oatmeal and toast sounds good to me.
Hey, what's for lunch?
I don't know. What do you want to eat?
I was thinking of pizza.
That's what I ate yesterday.
Well, what do you want to eat?
I wouldn't mind a burger.
I ate a burger just the other day.
We're gonna have to compromise.
You could always get a burger, and I can get a pizza.
Sounds good to me.
Where can we go to get both?
We can get both at the cafeteria.
What are we going to eat for dinner?
Whatever meal that you plan on making.
I thought you were making dinner tonight.
I do all the cooking.
Your food tastes so much better than mine.
Save it. If you want something to eat, then make it yourself.
You really want me to cook tonight?
I had a long day today. I really am not in the mood to make anything.
No problem.
Thanks. I'm gonna go take a nap.
Would you like me to come and get you when the food is done?
Thank you.
Did you get anything for lunch?
I ate a sandwich with some chips and soda.
Did you go somewhere and get your food?
I bought my food from the cafeteria today.
Tell me, what kind of sandwich did you decide to get?
They gave me a bologna sandwich, but I asked for ham.
How'd it taste?
I didn't want that sandwich, but it was quite tasty.
I got a sandwich in the cafeteria before.
Is that so?
Yes, and I believe they messed up on my order also.
That may be so, but I bet your sandwich was delicious. What's the side dish that you're making for dinner?
I'm not sure. I was thinking making a vegetable.
What kind of vegetable are you thinking about making?
Do you know what kind of vegetable you want to eat?
Why don't you make some corn?
How would you like the corn?
I don't understand what you mean.
Do you want it boiled, grilled, or microwaved?
Why don't you grill it?
That's how you want it?
Yeah, that sounds delicious.
Okay, I'll grill some corn then.
I really want to make something for dinner.
What are you going to cook?
I haven't the slightest clue what I'm gonna make.
A teriyaki bowl sounds nice.
I don't know how to make that.
All you need to make it is white rice and some teriyaki beef.
That sounds fairly simple, but how do I cook it?
The first and simplest thing you have to do is make some white rice.
What's next?
Then you shred your beef and pour some teriyaki marinade over it.
What's the next thing I need to do?
Then all you need to do is cook it and enjoy.